Hello children, we are doing class 10 science chapter 11 the human eye and the colorful world. Important question 1. What is meant by power of accommodation of an eye? Answer is the ability of eye to focus. I means here the eye lens actually to focus both near and distant by distant objects. Either nearby, also you can write nearby and distant objects, by adjusting its focal length is called the power of accommodation of the eye. So here we can adjust, actually the eye lens will be adjusted with the help of ciliary muscles. Size of the eye lens will be adjusted with the help of ciliary muscles. If we want to observe the nearby objects, at that time the eye lens will be thickened or it will become short, so that we can observe the nearby objects distinctly, and at the same time for observing the distant object the eye lens will be in the relaxed form, or eye lens will become thin, so that the focal length increases and we can observe the distant objects clearly. Then the position of the eye lens, or what will be the, for when you are observing a distant object at infinity, the eye will be in the relaxed stage. Then for a normal eye, near point is 25 centimeter. So before 24 centimeter, we will not be able to observe any object distinctly. And far point of the eye is infinity. That means after infinity, we will not be able to observe any objects distinctly. Now we will do the sum. So question number B. A person with a myopic eye cannot see objects beyond 1.2 meter distinctly. So that distance which they gave will be the image distance. So image distance V we will take as minus 1.2 meter. Why we are taking minus? Because image will be assumed to be in front of the eye. Then again, that means on the left side. And again, for a myopic eye, object distance will be the far point of the myopic eye. So object distance U will be minus infinity actually. Object distance U will be minus infinity. It is called infinity actually, because the far point of a myopic eye is less than infinity. I'll write here, because far point of a myopic eye is less than infinity. That is why we got. Now we want to find out the power of the lens used. So we will write the lens formula. So nature of the lens we will find out by finding the focal length of the lens. Focal length F question mark. Now we will write the lens formula. By lens formula, one by F equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Now we will substitute the value of V. So when you substitute the value of V, it will be always 1 by V, that is minus 1.2 minus 1 by infinity. But 1 by infinity will be every time 0. So here we will write plus into minus is minus also, standard form. So minus 1 by 1.2 minus 0 is 1 by F. I will remove the decimal point in the denominator by multiplying numerator and denominator with 10. By multiplying numerator and denominator with 10, I will remove the decimal point. So when you remove the decimal point, otherwise it is not compulsory to remove the decimal point, because in this case only one number is the minus 1 by 1.2. When you take the reciprocal, you will get the answer directly. So 1 by F equal to minus 1 by 1.2. So focal length f will be equal to focal length f. We are taking the reciprocal on the left side as well as on the right side. So it will be minus 1.2 meter. Now they told you to find out, this is the first bit of the question. They told you what should be the type of corrective lens used. So type of the corrective lens used will be concave, because focal length of a concave lens is negative. So I'll find out the power also. So corrective lens used was concave lens. Concave lens, because the power of concave lens is negative. Not power, actually we have to find out the power. Focal length, right? Focal length of concave lens is negative. Because the focal length of concave lens is negative. Now we want to find out the power of the lens. Power of lens we will find out. Power P equal to reciprocal of focal length in meter. Already focal length is in meter. So 1 by focal length. In meter. Reciprocal of focal length in meter. So we'll write that one. 1 by power P equal to, power P will be equal to 1 by F, actually F in meter, which is equal to 1 by minus 1.2. Minus 1.2. So now when you take the reciprocal, I'll multiply numerator and denominator with 10. So it will become minus 10 divided by 12. With 2 stable you can cancel. So when you cancel with 2 stable, 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10. So it will be equal to minus 5 by 6. So it will be equal to 6 8s are 48. Remainder will be 20. 6 3s are 18. 20 will come again. So it will be 0.833, approximately equal to 0.83 minus 0.83. Unit of power is diopter. So that was diopter. So once more I will conclude. Power of concave lens is P equal to minus 0.83 diopter is the answer.